that's doing it mediocre. Why wouldn't
you go higher?
Yeah, I mean it's just like non-brainer.
Power button.
Come on, baby, hit the turbo. You can do it. Oh! Woo!
Oh, she's getting crazy now. Look at her eyes.
Right.
Nuts.
That's what we need. The power.
Turbo.
Yeah!
Woo!
Very lost your mind. That'll do it. Those look like
I had to
stiff
back
peaks.
up off the bitch and sit and mix it down.
Those looks like stiff peaks. Alright, this is it.
That's pretty
Fold
close to
and
stiff
whites.
peak, I'd say.
Just until blended. Be careful not to deflate the batter.
Whatever that means. You gotta wonder about that.
Yeah, really.